I'm a dancer, choreographer. I work mainly as a solo practitioner, solo dancer, solo choreographer, but in collaboration with other artists from various different disciplines. I'm involved as a dancer actually in this project. This is called Duet for Three, and it is a project by John Collingswood, my husband. And yeah, just working as a dancer rather than a choreographer or such. I mean, obviously we are devising work together. Last year we actually produced Tracy's, which again was, I was a solo performer, solo choreographer, but I worked with sound artist and video artist. That was a full-length piece, theatre-based piece, but we used spaces within the theatre, so it kind of incorporated several spaces. And that was very heavily technology-orientated, very much integrated dance movement with new technology. The Creative Wales is very much about taking me back to exploring movement and choreography only. Stripping away all that technology, which I have been quite heavily involved with the collaborators I've been working with. I mean, it's a great opportunity to really delve into research and looking at choreography from various different perspectives, an opportunity I haven't really had before. And it's not just the creative process, looking at the creative process and developing my skills and understanding of choreography. It's also looking at applying my background from dance science into creative process and supporting that creative process. I moved to Wales in 2004. I was living in London. I felt it was time to move on, and I was looking around where to move, and Wales was particularly kind of attractive for me because there was already quite nice dancing happening, as well as, of course, I loved the scenery and people were really friendly. But as I said, the dance sector is actually really friendly, really welcoming, and it felt like I fitted nicely in here, so it was a nice place.